Do elephants care for humans? It might sound like a sentimental question, something out of a children's storybook, but the answer might surprise you. Stories from across the globe have long suggested that elephants can and do care about people. From the jungles of Asia to the plains of Africa, there are countless accounts of elephants displaying acts of what can only be described as kindness, protection, or even compassion towards humans. These aren't isolated myths or romantic exaggerations. They are well-documented behaviors that scientists and wildlife observers have recorded over time, adding weight to the belief that elephants may indeed possess a sense of empathy strong enough to include humans in their social and emotional circles. Elephants are deeply social animals. They live in tight-knit herds led by an experienced matriarch, and their relationships are built on trust, memory, and communication. They mourn their dead, comfort distressed members of the group, and even assist cows that are not their own. This kind of altruism, helping others with no direct benefit to oneself, isn't common in the animal kingdom, especially across species lines. And yet, elephants have been seen doing exactly that. There have even been reports of elephants helping injured or lost people, standing guard over them until help arrived, or guiding them to safety. In Kenya, rangers have shared accounts of elephants changing their course to avoid trampling over human villages, as if understanding the presence and vulnerability of those who live there. Some even seem to form bonds with particular individuals, such as caretakers at wildlife conservancies or orphanages, remembering them after long absences and greeting them with affection and recognition. Such behaviors are not the result of training or domestication, especially in the wild. Instead, they hint at something deeper, a cognitive and emotional world that allows elephants to perceive the pain or danger of another being, even one that looks and smells nothing like them, and to respond with care. What drives this empathy? The answer might lie in their brains. Elephants have large and highly developed brains, particularly in areas related to emotion, memory, and decision-making. The parts of the brain associated with social processing similar in some ways to our own. It's possible that elephants not only recognize humans as fellow beings, but that they can also imagine what we might be feeling or needing in a moment of distress. Of course, not all elephant-human interactions are gentle or altruistic. Like any wild animal, elephants can be unpredictable or defensive, especially if they feel threatened or if their young are nearby. But when they are at ease, and particularly when they've come to know an individual human through consistent, respectful contact, they often respond with an unexpected gentleness that goes far beyond instinct.